240 na camp-based personnel ng Philippine National Police Bicol ang ipapadala sa Naga City para sa pagdiriwang ng Peñafrancia Festival. Kaninang umaga nang isagawa ang send-off ceremony sa Camp Brigadier General Simeon Ola sa Legazpi City sa pangunguna ni PNP Bicol Regional Director Police Brigadier General Nestor Babagay Jr. Layunin ng kanilang hakbang na masiguro ang kaayusan at kapayapaan sa lungsod habang ipinagdiriwang ang kapistahan.
Handang-handa ang PRO5 para sa security ng Peñafrancia Festival. Yung mga police natin coming from not only in Naga City, will be complementing the security. We will be deploying today 1,500 all system. It will be supervised by the officers and men of PRO5 and yung mga regional operational support unit coming from forensic group, highway patrol, PSPG, we're also top. Aside from the local police. So all system go. I will be supervising the deployment.
Ang mga ipapadala namang tauhan ay mula sa Regional Medical and Dental Unit, Regional Headquarters, Regional Forensic Unit, Regional Police Security and Protection Unit, Regional Mobile Force Battalion, Regional Highway Patrol Unit, at Regional Explosive Ordnance Disposal and K9 Unit.
Basic directive: protect the people, prevent occurrence of crime. If there is crime committed, arrest the criminal. We are trained in these particular activities. Securing vital installations, securing the crowds, in cooperation, in collaboration with the organizer. This is not about PNP. This is all about whole of nation approach together with the OCD, AFP, Bureau of Fire, Coast Guard, and the local chief executive. But it is a sacred activity. Alam ko mababait ang mga participants. We will make it sure na mission accomplished, general peaceful.
Samantala, inaasahan naman na dadaluhan ang pagdiriwang ng milyon-milyong deboto ni Our Lady of Peñafrancia. Para sa mga balitang Tatak Bicol, Mae Encinares.